Right. Page number 4, the product of two binomial expressions. Very important, right? The product of, right? Second subtitle, the product of two binomial expressions, right? So this one is quite important, right? So this is something quite important that you need to know 100% accurately, right? To do this one, you need to know about the sign conversion, right? I think you know, right? And I have given it to you as well. Positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative, positive. Negative into positive, negative. Positive into negative, negative. Right? So you need to keep that in your mind. And I have given it to you as well. Right? At the beginning of this lesson. Right? So now focus on the board and try to catch the pattern that I am doing. Okay? Right? I am doing this with the basics. Right? And at the end, I will tell you an easy way to reduce the number of steps. I will tell you an easy way to reduce the number of steps, but now I will do from the scratch, right? From the base, right? Focus on the book. Example number 1. Some of you may know this one already. Right? Example number 1. So the first one, x plus 2, x plus 3. Hard. Before going into solving this one, I will ask from you something. Now, in the previous week, right, we have done something like this. Now, think of something like this. 2 times a plus b. Right? 2 times a plus b. You know how to do this one. 2 times a. Before multiplying the numbers and the terms, right? You are going to multiply the signs. This is positive 2. This is positive a. Right? Equal mark. Positive into positive, positive. Doesn't matter. I am not going to put positive because it is positive all. 2 times a, 2a, positive 2a. Positive into positive, positive. 2 times b, 2b. You already know this, right? Keep that in your mind. Don't write. No need to write. Right. Now again, I will give you an example. Here you have negative 2, a, negative b. Yes, yes. Right. This is so the equal mark. Now here you have negative sign. Right? Already. And this is positive way. I am going to simplify the signs first. Negative into positive, negative. Right? 2 times a, 2a. You already know this one? From last week and from today, the things that I have discussed already. Homeworks. Right? Right. Then negative into negative, positive. Negative into negative, positive. 2 times b, 2b. Alright. If you know this one, you can do this one very easy. But easily you can do this if you know this. Right? Look at the book. Now I am going to give you that. Right. So in the first bracket, right? In the first bracket, you have x term. In the first bracket, you have positive x term. Right? I am going to write the multiplication x into this whole thing. Right? Right? X multiplied by this whole bracket. Right? positive x multiplied by x plus 3, right? This term multiplied by this whole term, right? And then I have positive 2 here. Here I have positive 2, right? I am going to write positive 2 here. Positive 2 here, right? This positive 2, right? Positive 2 into whole thing. So x plus 3. Correct? So now try to understand the pattern. Some of you already know, right? I think DM had sent me the answer for this one, right? So I have taken this x out and here positive x, right? Positive x into this part, x plus 3, as it is. I have written down as it is. Then here I have positive 2. I have taken it here. Same thing, positive 2, right? And I have multiplied it by x plus 3. Same thing. Correct? Right. Everybody, you know how to simplify this now. Right? You know how to simplify this. Right? I will let you know how to simplify. Equal mark. Now this is very similar to this. If you forget this part, make amatak karo. X into this. There is it. Right? So positive into positive, x into x, x to the power 2 near a into a. By using the laws of indices, you can write a to the power 2. So like same x into x, x to the power 2, x into x, x to the power 2, right? Positive into positive, x into 3, x into 3, 3x. So this is it. Positive into positive, 2 into x, 2x. Positive into positive, 2 into 3, 6. Okay, but easy. Right? Here we have x square term. No any x square term here. Right? So write it x square. 3 apples plus 2 apples. 3 apples plus 2 apples. 3x plus 2x. Similar terms. 3 plus 2. Positive 5x. Plus 6. Done. Right? But easy. Right? So this is the answer. Right. Write down this and I want you to try by using the same method. Example number 2. Right? Example number 2. Alright. TN has sent me example number 2, guys. Alright. Please do this. Most of you guys have done. Super. Yeah. So do it fast, Anita. Do it. Yeah. So we have excellent. Right, do this example number 2, example number 3, and example number 4. As you know, right? Most of you are sending me the correct answers, right? Yeah. We are now in 6th floor. Super. Agani. But our voice chat. Chudi petting get slower again.
Maldi sir.
Now, I heard a voice from your side. I'm getting. Right. Do all the things, right? Now it is 7 p.m. Right? Api hambemu 7:05. DN is doing all the things. Huh? Vidusa is saying mom paste දෙයක් කියලා. The reason is his mom කියලා. විදුෂ කිව්වේ මටද? අපේ අම්මා කියලාද? ඒ කියන්නේ මගේ පිටිපස්සෙන් හිටියේ අපේ අම්මා. ඒක කියලා නේ කිව්වේ.
Also, Einstein has the same.
Right. I will do example number 2 and I will do example number 3, 4, right? So on and so on, right? So you can do it with me and you can check your answers, right? You can check your answers, right? Example number 2. Y plus 3, y plus 5, right? Equal mark, right? So as I told you earlier, so you know this is positive y, right? Y into this term, right? Y into this term. Don't think too much, right? Just multiply this term by this whole term, whole expression, right? And here you have plus 3, write it as it is. Plus 3 into this whole thing, y plus 5, right? Then equal mark. So you know what to do. Positive into positive, positive, doesn't matter. Y into y, y squared, right? Okay. Positive into positive, positive. Y times 5, 5y, right? 5y. Positive into positive, positive. 3 times y, 3y. Positive into positive, positive. 3 times 5, 15. Right? Equal mark. Y squared, make like terms. 5y plus 3y. Same size, 8y plus 15. Done. That is example number 2. Right? Then example number 3. And example number 3. X minus 2, x plus 3. Right? So now you know how to do this one. Same as previous. Only changing thing is this negative sign. There is a negative sign. Don't care about that. You know how to do the sign conversion. If you know how to do the sign conversion, this is nothing. So here you have positive x equal mark positive x. Multiply this whole expression x plus 3. Right? Here you have negative 2. So keep negative 2 here. Negative 2 times this whole expression x plus 3 equal mark, right? Then simplify the signs first, then go for the term or the number. Positive into positive, positive, x into x, x to the power 2, x to the power 2. Positive into positive, positive, x multiplied by 3, x multiplied by 3, 3. Right? Here you have negative, sign conversion. Negative into positive, negative into positive, negative. 2 times x, 2x, right? 2 times x, 2x. Negative into positive, negative into positive, negative. 2 times 3, 6, right? 2 times 3, 6. Now, equal mark. X to the power 2, no any other square terms? 3 apple minus 2 apple. 3 apple minus 2 apple. 3x minus 2x. 3 minus 2, 1, x. Positive x. Minus 6. Done. Uday. Did you obtain the answer, Megan? Example number 3 eකට. Do you have any questions to clarify? මේකේ මොකක් හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා මොකක් හරි ගැටලු තැනක් තියෙනවද? අනිත් අයට fully understood? Vidusha? Ashwin?
Yes, sir, no problems.
Okay. No problems ගාලා ගෙදරදී වැරදි විලා දාන්න බෑ. හරි. රුෂේන්ක? Ashwin? Savidu? Kaviti? Gagadi? Saina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amani? Right. Okay. මේ කැමරා සෝෆ් කරගෙන ඉන්න කට්ටියන් තමයි අහුවේ. හරි? Right. අනුවි right. Right. Okay. So, let's see. Right? Then example number 4. Y plus 3 මේක පට්ටයි සියොත් y minus 5 equal mark, right? Now like previous we have to separate positive y into this expression y minus 5. There is a pattern you need to understand. Here you have plus 3 y minus 5, right? So the positive y positive into positive y into y square, right? Positive into negative y into 5 y 5 නෑ එහෙම නෑ 5y, right? Plus positive into positive 3 times y 3, right? Positive into negative 3 times 5 15, right? Equal, here you have y square, no any other y square terms, like terms 5y 3y, negative and positive are two different signs. So here you have negative 5, here you have positive 3. Right? If you have different signs, what I told you, just forget the sign, take the two numbers, right? And get the subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2, right? How to decide the sign of 2? By looking at the biggest number sign, that is negative. So here, the answer for these two is negative 2y, negative 50. Okay, do you have any questions from this one? Any unclear point? Any unclear point? If you have any unclear point, please clarify. Yeah, and clarify the questions from me, right? And don't gather the questions. Problems gather karaganna epa. Clear it out. Proceed. Right? That is how you are going to be the best. Right. Okay. Example number 5. Example number 5. Right. X minus 2 x minus 3 equal mark. Same things you have to follow. Right? Same thing you have to follow. So here you have positive x, right? Positive x times this whole expression. X minus 3. Right? Right? I am doing it very calm mode. Right? So keep calm and work. Right? Keep calm and work. I am doing it in very calm mode. Right? So positive x into this expression. Now we have negative 2. Right? Negative 2. Negative 2 into this expression x minus 3. Right? Dial that now you can do it and very accurately. But if you are like mangwage kotikalla, you can do it shape, right? Shape पे करना पड़ेगा. Positive into positive, positive. X into x, x to the power 2, right? Positive into negative, negative. X multiplied by 3, x3, that is 3x, right? Negative into positive, negative, 2 into x, 2x. Negative into negative, positive, 2 into 3, 6. X to the power 2, like terms, 3 apple, 2 apple, negative 3 apples, negative 2 apples. Negative, negative, same sign. Negative 3, negative 2, same sign. If you have same sign, what I have told, just forget the signs. Just forget the signs. Add the two numbers, 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then put the sign, negative 5. Negative 5x. And same sign means same boat. Right? Negative 3, put the same boat. Negative 2, put the same boat. How many numbers are there? 3 plus 2, 5. Negative 5. Right? They are in the negative boat. They are in a negative boat. There is a positive boat as well. Right? Negative 3, put it in the negative boat. Negative 3, put it in the negative boat. Total 3 plus 2, 5. Negative 5. Done. Negative 5 plus 6. And they have understood this one. Any questions? If you have any questions, you can
Yes, sir.
clarify and proceed. Right. Okay. If you have if you have any problem, you can ask from me. That is why I am giving you the time. Right. So that is example number 5. Then example number 6. Three minus 5. 5 minus 5. So they make කරපු නැති කට්ටිය ඉන්නවද? Anyone who didn't do this one, make කරපු නැති පුතාලා, please raise your hand. I am going to give you the time. All of you have done. Example number 6. All. Nugi, you want time to do, right? Right. I will give you 2 minutes. I will give you 2 minutes. Do this. Make කරපු නැති අය. Those who didn't do, please do this. Do it. Make කරන්න. Right. Some of you have done. Super. අනිත් අය පුතේ කරන්න. Right. While you are working, please drink water continuously. Yeah. Okay, Vidusha, can you send me the answer, Vidusha? Yes, yes, dear. Okay. Okay, Rushi. Right.
Finish, sir.
Okay, super. Okay. Right, I am not going to give you 2 minutes. I am going to discuss. Yes, dear. Yes. I am having different answers from Jane and Vihanga, and Sanuki. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I am having different answers. Right? You need to. Right. Okay. Let's see. Abhi balo. Then it should not be negative y square. It should be positive. Right? Right. Okay. Now let's see. 3 times this. 3 times this. Positive 3 multiply 5 minus 5. Right? Then negative y. Negative y multiply this. 5 minus y. Right. Then do what you know. Positive 3, positive 5. Positive into positive, positive. 3 times 5, 15. Positive into negative, negative. 3 times y, 3y. Negative into positive, negative. Y times 5, y 5. 5. Negative into negative, positive. Right? Negative into negative, positive. Y times y, y to the power 2. Right. Here you have 15, no any other numbers. 15. Minus 3y minus 5y. Same board, ne? In the negative board. Negative 3y, put it in the negative board. Negative 5y, put it into the negative board. How many numbers are all there? Right? Summation. 5 plus 3, 8. Negative 8y. Okay. Same signs, just add the numbers, put the sign. Negative 8y. Plus y square. This should be your answer. So that is example number 6. Right. So then, do you have any question from that? To clarify. So then if you want, you can keep it like this, or yes, Rushankar, you are correct. Right? If you want, you can keep it like this, or you can change the terms. You can keep your answer like this as well. Previously, we had y squared and square term in front with y term, or this term is in the middle, right? You can arrange this y squared, positive y squared, minus 8y. This is positive 50, positive 50. If you want, you can keep your answer like this as well. This is also correct, right? Doesn't matter, right? Okay. So now I will do example number 7. Right, now look at the board. Some of you have done. Right, some of you have done right now, but let's see. Right. So they are saying in example number 7, show that x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to this one, right? This expression when x equals 4. So when you consider this x minus 2 and x minus 3 equals x to the power 2 minus 5x plus 6. Right? You have to show this happens when x equals 4. So, how to show that? How to prove that? So, now if you think this is as a balance, you have the left hand side, LHS, you have the right hand side, RHS, right hand side, right? LHS, RHS. So you have to substitute that x equals 4 in your left hand side, and you have to simplify it. And then after that, you have to take your right hand side. Then you have to substitute your value inside this in your right hand side and show that you are gaining the same answer, right? Which is equal to your left hand side value. Okay, right. Let's figure it out. I'm figure out. So now here you have left hand side. So this is the way you are going to do. You are going to show. You are going to prove. Right. So this is your left hand side. This is your right hand side. Right. So in this kind of situations, if they ask you show that this happens when x equals 4, take LHS first. Left hand side. Left hand side equals to this expression x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. If you have to show that, right? Name this LHS, name this RHS. Now take LHS, right? X minus 2, x minus 3, right? Substitute x equals 4, right? Substitute x equals 4 here. Or you can write substitute x equals 4 in LHS. Left hand side. Right. I am going to substitute LHS. Please look at the board. Don't do anything. I will give you the time to write. No more time is not clear. Right. Now this is my LHS. Left hand side x minus 2, x minus 3. Where I have x, I am going to substitute 4. Right. Here I have x. So I am going to substitute 4 there. 4 minus 2. Right. Here I have x. Instead of x, I am going to substitute 4 minus 3. 4 minus 2, 2. You know that. Right. Bracket is saying in between two brackets here you have dot. That means multiply. Vadikaran. Right. Multiplication. 4 minus 3. It is what? 2 times 1, 2. So this is your LHS value. Left hand side equals to 2. Right. Then I am going to simplify my right hand side. Right? Right hand side. Same way you have to do. Right hand side equals this expression x squared minus 5x plus 6. Right? Here I have x squared, here I have 5x. Instead of x, I am going to substitute x equals 4. Right. X to the power 2, that means 4 to the power 2 minus 5 multiplied by x. 5 multiplied by 4. Here you have plus 6. So can anyone tell me what is 4 to the power 2? What is the value?
16.
8. Samilu, what is 5 into 4? 5 into 4, Samilu. Yeah, 220. මම දැක්කේ නෑ මේ zoom එක කළු පාටලානේ zoom එකට අප්ඩේට් එකක් ඇවිල්ලා උටව හරිද මට ඒකේ තියෙන බටන් ටික හොයාගන්න බැරුණා ඒක පාට මොකද තියෙන්නේ කියලා මම කන්ෆියුස් වෙලා ගියා හරිද එතකොට මේ දැන් ඒක වෙන්නනේ කළු පාටි ඉස්සර තිබ්බ බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක සුදු පාටි මට මාරු කරගන්න බැරි හරිද තීම් එක හරි රයිට් 5 into 4 12 මේකින මට අර දුර ගොඩාක් දුරට පේන්නේ නැහැ ඔයාලා එවන මේ උත්තර ටික හරි 20, this is plus 6. So you know how to simplify. You know how to simplify. 16 plus 6. Here, 16 plus 6. 22. 22 minus 20. Value is positive 2. Now what you can see? LHS value is 2. RHS value is also 2. So LHS equals RHS. LHS equals RHS. So they are saying show that x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals x to the power 2 minus 5x plus 6 when x equals 4. Now you have substitute x equals 4 here and also x equals 4 here. Now you have obtained LHS equals 2, RHS equals 2. So finally you can write, right? Therefore, LHS left hand side equals right hand side. Right? So that this should be a final answer. You need to say that your left hand side is equal to your right hand side because you have proved this and this. You have mentioned, you have proved, you have shown them. This is what happens, man. You have shown. Very clear. Right? So please try this. Clear. Right. Okay. So when you have something like this in your exam, you have to follow this way, LHS RHS way, yeah? Right? And you have to show LHS equals RHS like this. Then this is done. That is how we are going to show that. Huh? Right. Right. Let's do some. Let's do few examples. Right. I am going to share the screen with you. Right? I am going to share the screen. Right. 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 Let's do. Exercise 5.2. Right. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Part K. Anyway, do it and send me the answer. I want to see who finishes first. Yes, Susan, you got the first place. Super. Amani got the second place. Sanugi, third. Yes, so we have a yes. If you want, you can arrange it in the form. ඒක form එකට ගන්න පුළුවන්, right? Yes, yes, yes. Disney, this should be no. This should be negative. And Rushenka, this should be negative x squared. And there should be negative x squared. The answer should be kept with negative x squared. Right. Okay, I will discuss. Don't confuse with the things. Other side of this should be positive 10x, I think. Others are correct, but 10x should be positive, right? Okay, exercise 5.2. Oh, better not. Right? Exercise 5.2. Right? Exercise 5.2. Part K. Second question, part K. Yeah? Exercise 5.2. Second question, part K. 6 minus x, x minus 4. Make up very easy. So Buddha, you have to do it in the same way that we have done earlier, right? Equal mark, right? Here you have 6, positive 6. Positive 6 into this expression, x minus 4, right? Here you have minus x, right? Minus x into this expression, x minus 4. Now don't be colorful when you see negative signs. Don't be colorful. Positive into positive, positive. 6 into x, 6x, correct? Positive into negative, negative. 6 into 4, 24, right? Negative into positive, negative. X into x, x to the power 2. Okay? Very accurate and clear, right? Negative into negative, positive. X into 4, x4, but we write down as 4x. Right. Now, like terms, right? 6x here you have 6x plus 4x. Like terms. 6 plus 4, 10x. Minus 24 minus x squared. This answer is also patta correct. But if you want, you can arrange the terms. You can take this whole term minus x squared into the front, right? Into the front, minus x squared, right? Minus x squared. Then this 10x, this is positive 10x, positive 10x. So write positive 10x. Then at the end you have to write the number, constant, negative 24. and negative 24. So Uda, this should be your answer. Uda, do you have any questions? Anything to clarify?
No, sir.
Super. Okay, Anuga, okay. So, okay. Right. So, shall we do another one? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay. Yes. Exercise 5.2 part E. Please do this. And I want to see who finishes first. Send me the answer. Okay, but do it fast and send me the answer. I want to see who finishes first. Okay, Susandhya send me. Susandhya got the first place, Anil got the second place. Nice. Anil put target 3 right? Fourth place, sorry, third place, Rushenka. Fourth place, Gagana. Patta. You right? Right. Yes, sir. Sixth place, Saina. Okay. Super. Dihen, Siva. Dihen, that should be, you have to correct your answer. There is a problem. We have a yes. Parvindi, yes. Sitimini, yes. Amani, super. Nishni, yes. Oh, right. Yes, Pudi, yes. Anugi. Alright, okay. Now I'm going to discuss. Now focus on the board, don't do anything. Right? Lian deba, right? When I'm explaining, don't lian, right? Don't write that. Mama explain karone, don't write, look at the board. It is what time board. Right? Right? So this one. Exercise 5.2, second question, part E. Right? Part E. X minus 5, x plus 5 equal mark. Do what you know. Doesn't matter. Right? So here you have positive x. Positive x I am going to write here. Then positive x into this expression x plus 5. Here you have negative 5. I am writing it here. Multiply by this expression x plus 5 equal mark. Right. Now again, do what you know. Positive into positive, positive. X into x, x squared. Positive into positive, positive. X into 5, x5, but we write it as 5x. Negative into positive, negative 5 into x, 5x. Negative into positive, negative 5 into 5, 25. Right. Simplify the like terms. Here, x squared terms, no x squared term, positive 5x and negative 5. What is that? I am giving you an 5 apple and taking back the same 5 apple again. How many apples? 0. Cancel out. Cancel out. Equal mark. X to the power 2 minus 25. Understood? Here now. Yes, Anil. There was any questions? Right. If you have any questions, you can ask from me. Yeah.
සර්
Oh, again, yes.
එතකොට x දෙකක් එන්නේ නැද්ද?
X දෙකක් එන්නේ නැහැ නේද මෙතන? How it becomes x2, right? X into x නේ. Me x into x. X into x means x to the power 2. That is the only way that you can write x to the power 2. Clear? This is very similar to the previous things that we have done, right? So the way x into x, x to the power 2, right? X into x, x to the power 2, x into 5, 5x, negative into positive, negative, 5 into x, 5x, negative into positive, negative, 5 into 5, 25. Right?
ඒක නෙමෙයි.
Yeah.
plus 5x minus 5x එක කැපුවානේ සර්. එතකොට x
නැවද? මෙතන කැපුවා හරි. Then
x එක ගන්න එතකොට
I am not clear Marty. මොකද්ද මට අවසාන ටික ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ. 5x 5x right we have cut down then rest.
ඒකේ x දෙකක් කපනවා සර් ඔහොමම.
Oh, so මෙතන මේ yes this is something like මෙහෙමනේ. Now if you think 5x like 5x equal to let's see 5x equals to doda, right? Complete doda, right? So this is equal to this doda now, right? This is positive doda and negative doda, right? Yeah. Positive 5x, negative 5x. Cancel out, cancel out. Whole term will be cancelled out. Right? This is very similar to positive 5 and negative 5. Right? Cancel out, cancel out. The whole term will be cancelled out. Right? Now, if you think like positive 100x, negative 100x. Alright? Same term with different sign. Cancel out, cancel out. Nothing remains. Full term has been cancelled. Right? Right. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Right. Okay guys, so we are going to discuss the paper, right? This is the end of this lesson, right? The all other things are homeworks. Right?